Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to another video with Detail Garage. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
Keep going.
I don't remember what we're doing. I blacked out.
Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Camera Guys Detail Garage. So today we are back with the series with Emma. So Emma is behind the scenes, but now we are showing her how to make her car clean. You like that rhyme, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
All right, so we just finished cleaning up the wheels on this Volvo. Next up is going to be washing the exterior. Now,
Cool.
Emma, when you think about washing your car, what comes to mind?
Soap,
Soap,
water,
water,
microfiber,
microfiber, towels. What else? Or is that it?
That's pretty much it.
That's pretty much it. All right.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard about the 2-bucket method?
Yes, but like I don't really know how to do it.
Okay. So today, luckily we have you on camera today, and we're going to be showing you how to do the 2-bucket method
Awesome.
on this Volvo. Now this
Cool.
Volvo, during the shade, it looked good, but after the sun came out, you start seeing like fingerprints, you see dust, you see spider webs. Someone improperly cleaned the window, and up front, if you guys look closely, the hood looks white. The hood is white because that's water spots. So you want to prevent all that, especially on your car. So we're gonna start off by setting up everything before we start spraying any type of water on the car, all right? So we're gonna start off with the dirt trap. So a dirt trap has over 100 cyclonic cones on it on the back, and this is going to allow you to filter while you wash. It also has micro abrasives on top. So every single time you come with your wash mitt and you scrub it, like this, at the bottom of your bucket, these cones are going to suck down the particles, the dirt particles, and it's going to sit at the bottom. But since the nooks and crannies at the bottom are so tiny, it's not going to allow it to rise back up.
Oh, cool.
Now here's a fun fact for you, Emma. I know you are from Texas, so everything's bigger in Texas, and everybody
Hell
has
yeah.
like lifted trucks in Texas, right? So if you do have a super dirty car, you could actually stack your dirt traps if you have double filtration.
Oh, cool.
So super muddy cars can get double filtration. But in this occasion, this Volvo is basically brand new. So here's yours.
Thank you.
Here's mine. You want to insert it like at an angle, and then just push it down. At the bottom was a little bit tough to push down, right?
Yeah.
That's just because it's causing a seal, so like this, it won't be rising back up.
Okay.
So now, Emma, to keep it very simple, we're gonna do green dirt trap is going to be our wash dirt trap. Red dirt trap is going to be our rinse dirt trap. All right. So wash, rinse. So today, the choice of soap that we're going today is going to be Mr. Pink.
Nice.
Now, Mr. Pink, let me give you a quick rundown. Or do you actually, before I give you the quick rundown about Mr. Pink, what do you look for in a soap?
High foam, I know is important.
Okay.
Smell good. That smells really good.
Bubble
Yeah.
gum.
And I don't know, does a good job, cleans it well.
Does a good job and cleans it well. All right, so she said high foam, smells good, does a good job and cleans well. So there's actually many different key factors you should be looking at whenever
Yeah.
you're picking up a soap. 1, pH balance. 2, will it harm my clear coat? 3, is it safe on all types of wheels? 4, I have matte surfaces, but it does have gloss enhancers. So there's different type of things you need to keep in mind. Luckily, this car has no type of matte, has glossy wheels, has glossy finishes. So I mentioned wheels just because the soap's gonna land on the wheels no matter what, but we covered all that. Now, Mr. Pink is actually a great maintenance soap. It's also pH balanced, so anything that has ceramic, glazes, sealants, waxes, it won't be harmed. It smells good, so we're touching that key point. And then one last thing, it foams up amazingly.
Awesome.
So an ounce is all you need to wash your car.
Cool.
So now all you need to do is just open up the spout top, add 1 ounce of soap inside there. Do we have soap in here?
No, it's
Why?
the rinse one.
Yeah, so we don't have to add soap right there, so we're gonna keep that one clean. Next up, this. Do you know what this is?
No idea.
What comes to mind when you see this?
A sprayer,
A sprayer.
connect a hose to it.
Okay.
That's all I
That's all.
got.
All right, so this is going to be a foam gun.
Okay.
So this foam gun attaches to our crickerless fitting, which is already on the nozzle. So this whole entire unit is sold together. So the nozzle, the foam gun, the tip, all comes together whenever
Cool.
you purchase this item. So let me just pull back. Now we need to set this one up. So I already pre-filled it with water, but I actually need to throw out a little bit of water because I added a little bit too much. Next up, I'm gonna add a good squirt in there. An ounce is all you need, but a good squirt, I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay.
More, 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 right about there. Cool.
I have no idea how much an ounce looks like.
That's an ounce. That's a Henry ounce right there. So, next up, Emma, so should we shake it? Should we stir it? Should we just connect it, start foaming? What comes to mind?
Shake it.
Shake it. All right, so we're gonna grab it, shake it as hard as we can, but that's actually something you don't want to do.
Huh?
You don't want to do that.
Okay.
You know why?
Why?
Think about it. So it's soap, water, shaking. Foam?
You're gonna make foam
Yeah.
in the foam.
So you don't want any type of foam in there. You want all
Got
the foam
it.
on top of the car. So what you just want to do is just stir it, don't shake it. So like this, the soap and the water mixes perfectly, and you have the perfect mixture. So we have our foam gun, we have our choice of soap, we have our wash bucket ready to go. Last thing we just need to talk about is going to be wash mitts. So wash mitts is very easy to overlook, and just by touching it, is it soft?
Yes.
Would you want that on your car?
Yeah.
Because it's soft, right?
Yeah, you
So
don't want to scratch
especially
your car.
if you put it on your hand, it's the perfect size, so it won't be falling off. It won't get too heavy. It's perfect. All right. So all we need to do now is just sink these in here, let them dwell, and then whenever we're ready, we will activate the suds. Same thing like Diablo wheel gel. She actually splashed me last time, so you can just activate the suds like that, let it sit. But in the meantime, before we get started, what's next? Should we rinse it? Should we foam it? Should we?
Rinse.
Yeah, so you need to rinse it off, then we'll foam it, then we'll scrub it.
Cool.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get started. You want to rinse?
Just
don't wet me.
Yeah, sure.
All right, so we just finished rinsing down the Volvo. Next up is going to be foaming it. But since it is in direct sunlight, we're going to be working a little bit more smarter. So she's going to be foaming, and I'm going to be following behind her with a wash mitt, scrubbing in linear motion. So like this, we get out of the sun, and we don't have water evaporate or cause water spots.
So should I foam it slowly so that you can follow?
So we usually start from top to bottom. So you could just start off like foaming the windshield. I'll take care of the windshield, and then we'll take it a section at a time.
Okay.
If you do finish foaming, then feel free to grab a wash mitt. Other than that, I'll be following you.
Okay.
You get the fun part.
Yay.
Yeah, all right, let's get foaming.
All right, y'all, we just dried the car. It's looking beautiful. It's looking shiny. It's perfect. And yeah, thanks for having me on here.
There you guys have it. We just finished washing and drying this Volvo behind us. What do you think about it?
It's looking beautiful.
It's clean,
looking
right?
Spotless, yeah.
So wheels, we've done tires, we've done paint. What's next? Make sure to comment down below and let us know what you guys want Emma to clean next. Is it interior, undercarriage, engine bay? Well, the list goes on, right?
Yeah.
Detailing is a lifestyle. So there's polishing. But anyways, guys, if you guys want to pick up any of the products that we use in today's video, you guys already know where to find them. ChemicalGuys.com. ChemicalGuys.com or at your local detail garage. As always, this is Emma. I'm Henry. And thank you for sharing your passion shine with Chemical Guys.
Thanks, guys. Bye.